Hi, it's Paul here. So if you watched my last video, which was the finishing off of the Victory, you will have seen that I was going to do a new one on the Mayflower, and it has arrived, so we can have a look what's inside. Hopefully this will be a bit quicker build than the Victory was. It took me years, but as I have more time now, I can get into doing this. This is a 1/60th scale. It's the Amity model. They're usually pretty good quality. So let's have a look what's inside. Hopefully then you can follow along. There'll be a video released. At the moment I'm thinking it's going to be on a Friday, possibly a Sunday, but we'll see when the next one comes out anyway, which will be the start of the build. So over here, sailcloth obviously, all printed but not stitched, so you can just cut those out and put them on if you want them on. Do it with the sails on. I think I might do some stitching on that. There's no reefing tags or anything in them, so we might do that. That's one. There's the one here. Yeah, just under one sail. There's a two. No, it's another single sail there. Main sail by the look of it. And then we have instruction sheet, which goes up to 68, and then the rigging. So that's everything pretty well explained, and I assume there'll be plans to go with each one because they're all figures, figure one, etc. Instructions in Italian. Well, Italian company, so I guess they have to put Italian instructions in. They won't be much good to me, I'm afraid. Plans. How many sheets have we got here? Too big to get on the screen to show you all at once, but that's just one sheet. That will be the size of the finished model. Very nice. It's about half the size of the Victory actually, but it's still a good size model. My wife keeps telling me I'll have to sell them because we've got nowhere to put them. But I have a plan. Plan 2. So obviously the decks and the bulwarks. On there, and should be the masts. Yeah, got the masts on there. Deck layout, and just all the laser printed pieces for the whole construction. All will come to light as we start building. If you like and subscribe to the channel, then it'll help me grow it because it is fairly new, and you'll get notified when I put a new video on. Building instructions. Also, we've got these plans as well. So we've got a full book, all the parts numbered, step by step. Fairly good. Looking forward to this build because it's going to be done not that quick, but a lot quicker than the other ones. If you look on the channel, you'll see there's an East Coast drifter that I'm building. That's been built from scratch, just from the plans, and that's going to take a long time. I'll keep going back to that and doing a bit. I've got the hull built, but that's as far as I've got. That's that one, and then we come to the bits and pieces themselves. That's quite heavy. each sheet. That's pretty obvious. Whole construction, and looks like stand as well for it, but I'll only use that for the building purposes. I'll have a better stand for the finished model. There's a bulwarks again. Oh, that one's already fallen out. It's very thin, 16th ply. It'll be easy to bend and fit into place. And some decks there as well, which will be planked as well. And adding a bit of scale, I'll put some more detail on the planking as well. More of the hull. There's the keel. Oh, I've got here bits and pieces of fittings, and these bits and pieces. There's the hull, the keel, some more of the frames, and the rudder. Maybe. It's quite thick now, quite heavy. Flags and a name, and some windows. This is like it's not paper, it's like a satin cloth, but it's I assume that's sticky backed somehow, so they turn on themselves. This is like one of those silk prints. And then 3 boxes of bits, some gratings, some already built up grating, some to build, lots of pins. Now these on the Victory, I didn't, I put these in as they were, and I think it was a bit of a mistake because I should have used black brass to dull them down, because you wouldn't have shiny brass fittings like that on the deck. So I'll do that with these actually. Crow's nest, and a doorway, and rudder hinges by the look of them there. There's that one, and we've got all the dies and blocks and everything else in there. There's steps or stairs. We've got bits there for the masts. I don't know what those are. Some copper wire, some more wire there. Some beads and things, different bits and pieces. That'll be for the masts, the rigging. And they'll obviously come out of that space there. Taped. They're taped shut. Oh no. No, they'll put that back in there. So we've got 2 anchors, rigging lines. Again, more rigging bits and pieces here. Those are gun ports, I think. They're ready built. That's going to be easy to do. If you look on the Victory, there were like, you know, there's hundreds of gun ports. They all had to be built from scratch. The tenders as well. That's already cast, made from cast there. As again on the Victory, they were all hand built. So that's pretty good. And then just a load of wood in bundles. That is obviously the planking for the hull. Masts, booms, yards, all there. Just straight dowels, all to be sanded. There's some cobwebs all like this on the shelf. More planking. Oh well, you know, there's all sorts in there. Some very fine timbers in there. Some that looks about 1/8 of an inch square, 5 mil square, something like that. I'm sure they're all numbered in the plans somewhere as to what each bundle is for. Some more very thin, like veneer. This is. That'll be for the bulkheads, I would think. The model itself, if you noticed on the box, on the plan, if you can see that, the bottom of it there is white. I'm not sure I'm going to do that. I might just leave it, leave the timber because it's going to be varnished, this one, not painted. I've seen some on the videos where they're actually just left without this white. We'll see as we go along. And that's it really. That's the unboxing of the Mayflower. Next is to start building it, and I'll start that this week, and there will be a video next week. As I say, it'll either be out on Friday or Monday, depends how much on Sunday rather. Friday or Sunday, depends how much I get done. I think this is just an empty space under here. Yes, just an empty space. So a lot of box, nothing in it. That's it. Look forward to getting it built, or starting it anyway, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Just hit the button this side down here. Subscribe to the channel, and I've also got a page on Facebook where I'll keep things up to date as well on there. Thanks for watching.